Welcome back to the rotten shed, where today I'm spending some time out in the rotten shed. Specifically, I'm going to do some more work on the chainsaw because I tried using it the other day and it was really tough to start. So I think the carburetor in there, which is actually the original one which was covered in sawdust, was probably in desperate need for cleaning. So what I did was I took the spare one, which I did try in there but it didn't work, and I've cleaned it out. I've replaced a couple thingy in there, you know, the diaphragm, as well as the little flappy bits up here as well. So fingers crossed this should be a good carburetor. I'll probably still need to retune it though. Also I'm going to see if I can get this NGK plug cap to fit under there, because frankly I don't like that rubber thing that's under there. Yeah, I don't know whether that's going to fit underneath the that cover there, so oh well, we'll see. Oh, also replacement fuel cap arrived for that, so I can chuck this one out. So I'm just going to get the tools out and I'm going to get working on this. Right, tools acquired, time to get to work. So safety stake, that's off, but not that it really matters because I'll take a miracle to get this to start straight away. Right, carburetor is loose. Pop it on out. In theory, I'm going to stick this on the tripod because I'm going to need both hands. Oh, jeez. We got a gusher. Yeah, see if that'll do it. Yes, that's the original carb from this one. Didn't really bother with cleaning it, aside from swishing it out in a bit of paraffin. Whew, stinky. So this is the good carburetor, which I've cleaned out and made good. See if I can draw a vacuum on the fuel tank. Just so I don't have that spurting everywhere again. And now to reattach the thingy bob, the intake, whatever. Good. Because I'm going to need to retune it because I had to pull out the jets, which on these are on the side here, so got a little access port on the side, so shouldn't be too difficult. I'm just going to flip it back on its side so I can return the fuel back to where it came from. Maybe that wasn't such a bright idea. The joys of being an idiot. So, let's see how she primes. It's flowing through, but I'm not seeing anything in there. Oh, try it out. Choke is on. Engine is on. Actually, I want to turn this switch around at some point because it's like the lightest touch it knocks it off. Annoying. Right. Ooh. So far not much has changed. Let's see if we can get the low and high screws attacked. Come on. a lot easier to start now. Is it too much fuel? Too little fuel? I don't know. Maybe I held a bit too low. Try again. If you wonder why I'm pulling the choke and pushing it back in, it's because when it locks on, the throttle is actually slightly more open than it normally is, so it helps. Oh, you git. Good. I'm going to sit outside whilst I get some fresh air because it's just filled up with two-stroke exhaust. Okay, so now I've got the thing starting and running nicely. I'm going to swap this off now. Probably not a good idea what to do whilst the engine's still hot, but there you go. The main reason why I want to do this is, in my earlier video you noticed that this little thingy was poking through the outer boot, so I want to get rid of it. But first off I need to make sure that this will actually fit under the cover, so I need to get this little bit off. There's one thing about NGK spark plugs is they handily allow you to do that. So well, obviously the plug fits, but does it fit? I'm going to get this out of the way. Bit of a tight squeeze, but yes, it fits. So, good. I am fitting this plug cap, even. So, if you've never done this before, this is basically a screw-on jobby. So you've got a little screw in there, it just screws into the wire, and that's it. Easier said than done though. Okay, and that's that modification complete. So it now has an NGK spark plug cap. Because, you know, they do it better than China. Right, so that's that done. Let's see if it'll actually fire up. So move you back over this way. Perfect. Next task, I'm going to pop this side off and I'm going to give a good old hosing down with this to clear off any collected goo and see where the leak is. I feel like it's just the chain oil, that's just a bit generous. So undo that. That just pops right off. Yeah, you can see what I mean about degreasing all that, because that's the brake to stop the thing from spinning in an emergency, so I need to completely de-oil that. So I think the chain oiler is here somewhere, so I don't know if it's faulty or if it's just, you know, like I say, generous. But yeah, it definitely all needs de-gucking. So probably not the most efficient use of brake cleaner, but gonna use what you got. Actually, is that damaged? That doesn't look quite right. I'm gonna compare it to the other one. Yes, it is damaged. So this one, it's not so bent upwards, whereas this one is just like completely smashed over. Oh well, let's grab the brother beater. That's That's that fixed. Easy as that. So yeah, I'll say that's good. Spray myself in the face again. Declaring that clean enough. Next, this thing, which, yeah, needs serious degreasing. Yeah, so I declare that cleaner. So all that crap has just come off this chainsaw. Yuck, horrible. Right, so that's where the bar goes. So that's the oil. It's not a very good position for it, is it? Unless the oil goes into the hole. Yeah. Oh, I'm stupid. Yeah. Oh, there's a bloody bumblebee in here. Can you go that way? No, that. Or out the door. Oh, out that way? Yep. Pick a bloody direction, bee. There's a reason they're called bumblebees. They just bumble about like idiots. There we go. It's gone out the door. Silly bee. Oh no, it's just come back in. And back out. Stupid bee. Right, one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fire it up as it is. I want to see how much oil comes out through the oiler. Nearly done. So yeah, quite a lot of oil does actually come out of that. So it's not leaking, it's just putting out a lot of oil. But the question is how do you adjust it? 'Cause I aren't the foggiest. Right, on the spare engine, I just noticed this on the bottom. Minimum, maximum. And just up in that little slot there, there's a flat-headed screw, which appears to be what controls the oiler. So I'm going to tweak the oiler on this one over here and see if that changes it. In fact, what I'm going to do on this one, I'm going to turn it all the way in and count how many turns it takes, so I can see if that one matches. So, where's my other flathead? There it is. I mean, this one might not actually be set up properly either, so... Oh, that's not hardly anything. Just like... So it's not really anything more than just a little valve, so... Okay. So that was actually fully open, just about. Right, so now I know that. I'll flip this one over and take a look. So that too was on like full blast. I'm going to put it just like halfway between full and not full. And clean this off. Yeah. Of course, you don't want to completely shut off the oil because you'll end up completely destroying your chain and bar. Apparently. Given I've never done anything like that before. So, now I'll fire it up again and see what comes out. Seems to be still pouring out. really seem to be making much of a difference, really. Right, set to absolute bare minimum. Yeah, so bare minimum, it doesn't really change it. So, do you know what? I'm going to just leave it. The chain's getting oil, it's being lubricated, that's really all that matters. So, yeah. So I'm just going to put the thing back together now. Because as long as the chain's receiving oil, it doesn't really matter all that much. So, whatever. Give it another fire up test. So that still works good. I think I still need to tune that carburetor a bit. And judging by the glowing inside of the exhaust, I think there's a bit of carbon burning off. Probably all the wood it's sucked up. So there we go, that's this Gardenline, that model number there, chainsaw, as far as I care, finished, sorted. Yeah, overall I'm happy now. I've got my chainsaw, I've got my way of chopping things down, like excess buttery. Don't think I need to do any more on this other than just use the thing. So, I'm going to end this video here, and if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want to leave a comment, they go down below. If you want to donate some money via Patreon, that would be greatly appreciated. I'll be up here. And if you want to subscribe, the round thing will be over here. And until next time, bye.